Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the basics that directly affect rhythm shooting. First, set your controller dead zone and shot sensitivity to a comfortable midpoint. This gives predictable timing. Once done, turn on in-game audio cues and load a short 30-60 second drill loop so your brain aligns with the beat. Next, warm up with 50 close-range attempts emphasizing consistent release timing rather than percentage. This creates muscle memory. Make sure to keep breaths controlled so your cadence stays steady from the first rep. Now you escalate into sequencing drills that link timing with movement. Begin slow. Perform 1-2-3 rhythm shooting drills where each number maps to a location. Once consistent, raise tempo by 5 to 10% to challenge timing. Use a metronome or tracks at 70 to 90 BPM and consciously align your release to the beat so timing becomes automatic. Record short clips and review them, focusing on one timing error each session. Fixing that single issue compounds improvement over repeats. Finish by putting rhythm shooting under realistic pressure to seal the skill. You run 2-minute full court sequences and specific clutch late shot reps so timing holds when fatigued. This forces rhythm to persist under stress. Make small, measured adjustments to sensitivity and dead zone, logging each change so you can revert if needed. If your sync drifts, reset audio latency and repeat the warm-ups immediately. Doing that often corrects timing slippage. Keep steady practice cycles and one clear metric to track weekly progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.